The world out there is changing very fast. People are very creative, very innovative, very capable. And therefore, here in Singapore, we cannot just stop at thinking about having 3% improvement all the time. Sometime, we must also think of a 100% breakthrough. So therefore, in addition, as we face this productivity challenge, in addition to striving for total productivity in every enterprises, in all sectors, we must also strive for pervasive innovation in all sectors and all professions. Yeah. In other words, we want to strive for non-stop productivity gain. Because 3% productivity gain today can lead to productivity gain today, but we need a 100% breakthrough in order to sustain productivity gain in the future. Now, 100%, have we done it before in Singapore? Yeah, one example is actually Newater. Newater is a concept known as 1 + 1 × 2. Yeah, 1 is the water from the sky, +1 is the water from the sea, and the multiply by 2 is actually meaning that every drop of water from the sky, from the sea, we use it twice. Yeah, and that's twice came from Newater. So water that we use it one more time. So by using every drop of water twice, we've improved our water productivity by 100%. Right? So we've got it done. Another example, Sembcorp Marine, yeah, they are now in the process of building a new yacht. Yeah, and this new yacht will have many new features. Yeah, but the bottom line is that you'll be able to turn around a ship repair, cutting down from 1.5 months to 1 month, and along the way, together with other improvement, they're able to improve the dock capacity by 62%. This is very important because the waterfront land in Singapore is very precious. Another example is SIA. We all heard about their A380. SIA is the first airline in the world to use an A380. Now, by coming with A380, you must have a hangar, right, to do the maintenance and repair job. And what SIA did was to come up with this revolutionary docking system. For example, to replace the seat in this A380, used to be a standard way would be 6 hours, but in the case of the SIA new hangar, it will be 2 hours. And if they have to switch aircraft, instead of serving the 380, have to go for Boeing 777, they can actually reconfigure this hangar in 2 hours instead of 8 hours. So in other words, they are able to improve their productivity by 200 to 300%, from 6 hours to 2 hours, 8 hours to 2 hours. Another example of a breakthrough, many of us actually maybe have not paid notice, is exactly right where we are. Marina Bay is actually breakthrough of all breakthrough. Yeah, why? Because first, in terms of the land productivity, land productivity in Marina Bay is very high. Yeah, you look at the intensive use of the land here, and the land here is the Chinese saying, 寸土如金, Yeah, it's a very expensive, very valuable land, right? So the land productivity is tremendous. But more importantly, the development of Marina Bay has actually added a new sense of vibrancy in our economy. So the multiplying effect, in fact, is many times that of the increase in the land value. So in other words, through such a breakthrough, we're able to multiply the value, not just add, not just create, but multiply value.